Hi there folks, it's your host Richard on Hebridean Way, stage 6 on moor section, just in the moors after the ferry village bit, and I'm just about to put the Jack Wolfskin gossamer tent up in the wind on the moors. Basically I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it up in the wind. Okay, it has, there is some wind, it's gone a bit quiet now, but yeah, it'll be back. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to put it up in the wind, so it's quite simple. The wind at the moment is supposed to be 30 miles per hour, but it's a bit less than that at the moment. It's more than just a breeze, it is proper wind. So I'm going to, but it's not serious wind. It might be later on tonight, and I can video that as well, show how it copes in the wind. So I'm just gonna put this up. The Jack Wolfskin gossamer tent, and you want to face if you can, the lower lying bit to the wind, because that's more aerodynamic. But sometimes I face the bigger bit to the wind, because you want the bigger bit where your head goes, and you want, if there's a slant in the ground, if it's not level, you want your head not to be facing down, you want the head to be on the up slant, don't you? You don't want to be sleeping sort of like, you know, upside down. So sometimes you have to put it the other way around, but it seems to cope pretty well in wind either way. But I just reckon it's better, if possible, to obviously put the smaller end facing the wind if possible. In this case it is, because the slant is going up that way, and I think the wind is coming that way, so I'm going to kind of put it about there. Now you don't want to lose your tent pegs, so that's got my camera in, put it in there. So I put that in my pocket so it doesn't blow away the tent pegs. Alright, so that here hooks in there, I don't know if you can see that, and then it's supposed to be pissing down a rain any minute. Well, it's supposed to be like that all day, but it's not at the moment. I will at some point show you how to put it up in the day, in the rain, sorry. So yeah, I'll put that there. It's in pretty well. Did I have a peg and I've just lost it, or did I? A bit dehydrated at the moment. Can't see it anywhere. Must have come to get on the back. Right. So that's hooked in already. That one there. Just put that in. You can, like, it doesn't look very level at the moment, but you can level it off when you've put the front ones in. So move my bag out a minute, out the way a minute. Put all my other bags under there so it doesn't blow away. It would help if I put this in, but you can put this in after you've done that, but it's better to put in the holes, I think, first, and then the pegs. But it doesn't matter, you know, you can do either way. I mean, in fact, it might be better to put the pegs in down there before so the tent doesn't blow away if it's seriously windy. I'll have to show you how to take it down in the wind as well. So yeah, it's not crazy wind at the moment, it's just a bit kind of like blustery, I guess, but it's supposed to be a lot windier than this. So just like that, obviously take that. As you can see, it's windy. Okay, so that goes in there. Okay, like that. Now pegs in my bag. Not sure if wind blows all directions, I've been told, so probably doesn't really matter, and I kind of like put it on a level. Oh well, it'll do. I can kind of get it maybe to go that way a bit more. I think that will be better. So yeah, the wind seems to blow in every direction here, so it doesn't really matter which way you put it around. So I give it a good test. Now, so you want these in, pull these in quite tight, so it keeps the tent nice and straight. Just move this up a bit more. Oh, just drop the pegs. Right, so then you want to put this like this, and then these this peg, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, another peg here. So nice and tight. Good thing with the moors is it kind of grabs the pegs and it's hard to pull them out, so it sucks on them. So yeah, that's nice. So you got the middle one there. Then got a peg here too on the side bits. Help the side bits not. Actually, I'm going to do this back bit first to level it off. So you do redo this again to get it level once you put the front ones in, but because it's on a slant, it's not going to be totally level at the moment. Okay. The pegs are a bit not too good. Right. These are pegs that not come with it, by the way. I got these are just old pegs. I don't know what happened to the other pegs for this tent. Yeah, anyway, the pegs. So put that in. So that's a guide rope. I put this one in the side. No, I didn't. So now I'm going to put the one in the side. I'm going to put it at a nice slant, so it hooks on there, don't come off. These cows are interested in what I'm doing, as long as they don't run into my tent. So yeah, and then put that one in. So that's all nice. Make sure the hooks are in each corner. Yep. Looks all good. Oh, and obviously put not done this one. Put this rope in, or guideline as they call it. There you go, you're good to go. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you put the Jack Wolfskin Crossmere single man tent up in the winds. Yeah, I do know it's not incredibly windy, it's just more than a breeze at the moment, but it's supposed to be quite a bit of rain tonight and wind, pretty standard for the Outer Hebrides. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video.